Bienvenidos a la cocina de mi mami.
No, de las dos.
Today we will be showing you how to make a homemade salsa de molcajete. You will need 4 Anaheim peppers, 2 serrano peppers, 2 jalapeños, 2 large tomatoes, 10 small tomatillos, 3 garlic cloves, and some salt. First, on a comal or hot plate, toast all the chiles, tomatillos, and tomatoes for about 10 minutes or until the skin is blistered. Make sure to turn them over a few times so they are evenly charred. This is very important because it helps bring out earthy and smoky flavors. Once they're ready, remove them from the comal and let them cool for a bit. You can choose to peel the skin off the chiles or leave it on for some added texture. Now it's time to grind the 3 garlic cloves on a molcajete. This is a traditional stone bowl used to grind ingredients and is key to making an authentic Mexican salsa.
This is the blender.
Mexican blender.
This is the Mexican blender. Once the garlic is like this, you're going to add the toasted tomato. Okay, next you add
Chile.
the chile jalapeño and the chile serrano. So you add the 3 chiles.
Sal.
Don't forget you need to add some salt.
You have testing how.
And it's, you decide how much you add. If you're an expert like my mom, it will be delicious. Look at that salsa. Along the way, you can take a spoon and start tasting, so you can
Depende how the salt is.
taste.
This salt is good.
If you don't want the salsa to be too spicy, remove some of the veins from the inside of the jalapeños. Or you can add in more tomatoes later if it turns out hotter than you expected.
Okay, now you add the tomatillo and you put them in here. If you notice that you're just going in the middle and you need to go more to the side, you can take a spoon and you'll clean up the edges. Kind of start changing it. And then again, you grind. And then you decide what texture you want. We want it to have some texture, right? Queremos que tenga, que no esté muy aguadita, que tenga textura. Let's taste it.
Depende how you.
Está buena. Tiene un. Está enchilosita, pero.
Ya no,
rica.
you don't want to add more chile?
No, yeah, it's ready. So you don't need to add another chile. The taste is good. Again, si está muy enchilosa, it's too spicy. You can put more jitomates to tostar, so you can put them more en el comal. You can put more jitomates to toast, and then you add them. That way it will help with the spiciness. So you decide how much tomatoes, or if you want it to be super, super spicy, or very, very light, depending on who's gonna eat it. But because we love chile, it's perfect.
It's ready?
It's ready.
Buen provecho! Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.